Dumbbell Arnold press. To perform this, stand with the lightweight dumbbell in both hands or sit on the bench with the back supported. Then start by holding the dumbbell at shoulder height with your elbows slightly bent and pelvis facing away from you. Press the dumbbell upward and squeeze the shoulder muscle. And in the same way, rotating your pelvis to the return position, bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Seated dumbbell lateral raises. If doing it while sitting, keep your body stable. Then sit on a bench keeping your back straight, holding the dumbbell in both hands, slightly bending the elbow. Lift the dumbbell to the side until your dumbbell reach shoulder level. Then during this movement, squeeze the side shoulder muscle and then slowly bring in the dumbbell to the return position. If you want, you can do it standing also. Perform 4 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Cable front raises. As I show in the video, attach the straight bar handle to the lowest lock of the cable machine. Stand with your back toward the machine and hold the bar with the both hands in front of your thigh with an overhead grip. Then keeping your hands straight and the elbow slightly bent, lift the handle up toward your shoulder height and then slowly control the speed and bringing it to the starting position. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Cable reverse fly. Stand in the middle of the cross cable machine and attach the D handle to the other side of the machine at shoulder height and grab the handle with both hands, keeping the arm straight and the elbow slightly bended. Pull the handle to the side into reverse fly position, squeeze the real deltoid muscle and then slowly bring in the handle to the starting position. Perform 4 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Machine reverse fly. Set the pec deck fly machine according to your height and sit on the machine with the chest supported and hold the handle of the machine with both hands keeping your back straight, elbow slightly bent. Pull the handle backward and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the upper back and real deltoid muscle together, maintaining control over the entire movement. Slowly bringing the handle together to the starting position. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions. One arm cable lateral raises. Attach the single D handle to the lowest lock of the cable machine. Stand sideways to the machine and hold the D handle with one hand, keeping your arm straight and the elbow slightly bent. Lift the handle to the side until the handle reach shoulder level. Then bring in the handle to the starting position with control speed and repeat with the other hand with the same form. Do 4 sets with the lightweight and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands and maintaining the correct form.